Alright, so welcome back. So in this lesson we're going to be going over some new songs, Anointing and Surround Me, O Lord, in the key of C. These are really awesome songs because they also, like Jesus is the Answer, they use every single chord in the key of C. So it's a great way to practice them. Now we're also going to be going over some tricks to teach you all of the major chords and all of the minor chords. We use something called grouping that's going to teach you how to memorize them all really easily. We'll get into that here in a minute. Alright, so your first song is Anointing, and it basically is, the chord progression is E minor, A minor, D minor, G, E minor, A minor, D minor, G, C, C, F, D minor, C, G, C. Now we're going to repeat it again. F over G. That's our restart chord, remember? E minor, A minor, D minor, G, E minor, A minor, D minor, G, C, C, F, D minor, C, G, C. Now we're going to hit a C again to end it. Alright? So, same chords here. You can use these chords to play almost any song in the world, but different progression. That's what makes the difference. That's what makes a song sound different from a different song. So this song, Jesus is the Answer, we're walking down. Okay, this song we're skipping around. E, A, D, G.